If you lack endurance, you can never build anything worth applauding. Good morning, my name is Victor Kwejiri, your business success coach and consultant. Once again, I come here with a Business Building Blocks episode 8 for 2023. Now, achieving anything of significance requires consistent application of yourself to a process or a system. This also means navigating a series of obstacles and even potential failures along the way. This is the norm. Your appreciation of this fact mentally makes a huge difference in managing difficulties and developing endurance in the process, which is something you need in this life. Become fearless and unwavering in the face of challenges and let them inspire you to become solution-minded and a pathfinder. It is one of the basic hallmarks of great achievers, and you are certainly one of them. I hope this inspires and motivates you this morning. Well, before we go, as a business coach and consultant, I help people start and grow their businesses. If you desire to become an entrepreneur this year, or you already have an existing business and you want to grow, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'll be more than glad to help you. And also, we have this exciting news for you. The Business Building Block podcast is soon to be launched, and I hope you are getting yourself ready for it. It's going to be very informative, very inspiring, and I'm going to equip you with a lot of very quality information to help you in your entrepreneurial journey as well as in other aspects of life. And finally, if one of your goals this year is to become a writer and an author, this book writing workshop is yours to take advantage of. I'm sharing with you the 10 easy steps to write your book in 10 days. This is something I've developed over the years after writing 13 books and publishing 8 to date and helping many other authors with the same system. And I hope you take advantage of this. Before you go, do not hesitate to take advantage to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the post, share with your network, and comment in the comment section with any thoughts that you like to share with us. Thank you once again. God richly bless you. Look forward to coming your way again soon.